Welcome to Automation Fair 2023 in Boston. I'm Amanda Joshi, the managing editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner network magazine. I'm here with Dan Schmidt of MTE Corp, and he's going to tell us about his company.
Good morning. So we're MTE. We're probably one of the global leaders in power quality. So our focus is really on cleaning up dirty power. So when we're starting to use variable frequency drives, like the Rockwell drives, those drives can create dirty power, whether it's going to the motor or whether it's going back to the utility side. And so what ends up happening then is a utility may, come out to a customer and tell them, your harmonics that you're generating are creating problems on our system, or they're creating problems at a neighboring customer. And so they could end up either cutting the power off to a customer or start finding that customer. So that's where our products come in, and they help customers meet that IEEE compliance that the utilities require. So we clean up that power, but on the other end of the drive, we help protect the motors. One of our biggest goals with our customers is to eliminate downtime and help extend the life of their motors and keep their systems running. Because in today's age, everyone wants everything as fast as they can. They don't have time for downtime, and so we help supply that by help protecting those motors, providing that clean power to those motors. So we've been in business now for over 60 years. We're headquartered in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, right near Rockwell. So that provides a lot of advantages to us and our customers, especially with this partnership that we have with Rockwell.
As a technology partner, what do you see as the value you bring for you and your customers?
I think one of the biggest values is that it opens up new avenues for us, new opportunities for us. We now have that reach of Rockwell, who's pretty much the #1 drive manufacturer in the U.S. And so now we have access to their customers, we have access to their technical people, so it helps expand. They're almost an additional sales arm for MTE. It allows us to get to more customers, get into other opportunities. With Rockwell being a global company, now we have opportunities through Rockwell, across the world, in Europe, the Middle East. There's a lot of different applications. Rockwell is in so many applications, so that gives us that expanded reach into those other areas.
That's great. What are you highlighting here at the show?
Yeah, so one of the things that's, I think, unique about MTE is that we are continually growing and we're continually advancing our technologies. A lot of people will look at our products as it's just copper and steel, but it actually is a lot more than that. We really look at what are the issues that our customers are facing, the problems and challenges that they have, and then we try to design our products around what they need. So one of the biggest products, the newest products we have, is what we call our Micro Nexus product. So this is really a game changer in the industry. This is the best solution out there to protect a motor from some of the issues that drives can create. But there's a lot of advantages beyond just cleaning up that power with that filter. One of the biggest advantages is you're supposed to use VFD cable when you use drives and motors. With this filter, we eliminate all the problems that plague cables, they plague the motors, so you can use standard insulated cable with ours, as well as we help protect bearings. So bearings in the motors is one of the main failure points of the motor, and so we clean up that power so you're not going to have those bearings fail within months or a few years. And we're so proud of that we actually give customers a 5-year bearing warranty with that filter. So we're putting our money where our mouth is, and we're guaranteeing that those motors are going to last for many years.
Wow, that is so great to have those innovations out there for people so that they can help solve problems in their plant. So if you want to learn more about MTE Corp, take a look at the website on your screen. And I'm Amanda Joshi, managing editor of the Journal here at Automation Fair in Boston. Thanks for watching.